Hello there, art enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock your creativity and dive into the vibrant world of painting? Well, have I got some fantastic news for you. Introducing my friendly local art class, where adults who share a passion for art and an eagerness to learn a new skill come together to learn painting. My speciality? Alla prima painting. So what is alla prima, you may ask? It's an exciting technique where we create beautiful paintings in just one sitting, capturing the essence and energy of the subject. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, I will guide you every step of the way. Our classes are not just about learning techniques, though. They're about fostering a supportive community of like-minded individuals. You'll make lifelong friends, share insights, and celebrate each other's progress. I believe that everyone has an artist within them waiting to be unleashed. So don't let self-doubt hold you back any longer. Embark on a journey of self-expression, creativity, and personal growth. No matter your age or skill level, I welcome you with open arms. Sign up in the form below today and let your creativity flourish.